How to export video in DaVinci Resolve. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to render or export your video in DaVinci Resolve. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, once your video is ready, just head down to the delivery tab at the bottom of the screen, and this is where you will handle all the export settings. So here you can either export the entire timeline or a specific portion. So here to export everything, just select entire timeline, and to export a section, choose in and out range. So here, once you're done with that, simply press I where you want the export to start and 0 where it should end, and this gives you full control over what gets rendered. And now under the rendered setting panel, I recommend selecting custom export. So here you can use preset too, but custom gives you more control. So here once you're done with that, you can name your video, and after that you can choose the location. You just have to click on browse to pick where the file will be saved. And now here under the video tab, you can choose the format to QuickTime and Codec to H.264, which is great for general use. And here you can pick the resolution to your desired need. So here I'm just picking up 1920 x 1080. And here you can use the frame rate to match your project frame rate, and you can select the quality. And here once everything looks good, you can just click on add to render queue, and here on the right side you can just click on render all, and your video will now start rendering, and once it's complete it will say completed. So here you can just right click on the completed render in the queue and select reveal in the Finder or File Explorer on Windows to find the file location, and that's it. That's how you can render or export videos in DaVinci Resolve. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.